Hi, Jane. Tina from Prime Mercedes. I want to thank you for reaching out to us on that 2003 C-Class. And the object of this video is to give you a tour. So come on in. We're going to start in on that front end. And I know I sent you something called the Auto Eye Pack, but I wanted you to actually see the vehicle, see the rims, see the tires. We're going to do a walk around the whole body. I sent you the pricing. You can see this is a 240. We're going to pop the trunk for you. Let you get a look at the interior. Let's open the passenger compartment so you can see the rear passenger upholstery. And just to reiterate our as-is, you know, we have failed them for inspection. I sent you the list of why we failed it for inspection. But if for any reason you're unsatisfied, you can bring this back for a 3-day money-back guarantee. And I'll actually start the vehicle up so you can hear it. Engine sounds good, and I wanted you to get a shot of what we failed it for. Front marker, front brakes, flex discs, and that's what we found. And this vehicle has 190,500 miles on it. So give me a call, Jane, 207-229-2739, and let's schedule a time to come down and look at this. Thanks so much. Have a great day.